Yo, what up? It's your boy Bshannon, and I want to share with you my journey of becoming the best version of myself. Now, this video is not here to brag. I just want to share with you because I want to share with my people that are close to me. I want to be a motivational speaker to you guys, and I want to show you how you can accomplish similar things in life. I'm not saying I accomplished so many things, but I accomplished things that I'm very, very proud of, and I'm gonna share with you. And hopefully, you tell me in the comments what you accomplished, and we can, have a little chat in the description. But let's get straight to this video, man. So yeah, it started all in 2017, man. I decided to myself to learn how to make beats, man. To be honest, I started making beats in like 2009 when my mom used to take me to the studio. I was 9 years old, man. I remember my mom, she used to, rap and do poetry, and I used to see the guy, he's making beats for her, and he could just create music from scratch, and ever since then, that just motivated me just to, pursue music. I learned, let me look at YouTube and see how to actually, what to download, what to do. That's when I decided to dig deep into making beats. I poured my heart and soul into music. Now I can finally say I have 4 albums. I have 4 albums now. All 4 of these albums are produced and written by me. That's another thing I want to guys motivate you on, is everything what I'm about to say I did on my own. And I want to show you guys that you can do anything in life that you can choose. You don't need nobody. You don't need a handout. You don't need a handout for anything. You are the real masters of your fate. You hear my computer? This is true raw. This is raw. There's some cuts in there because I be chatting, I ain't gonna lie. I'm so grateful for this creative outlet that allowed me to express myself. So fast forward, or backtrack to 2020. Go to one of my other skills I'm very, very proud of, and what I accomplished is trading Forex. 2020, I started to look at trading in general. Just seeing, I saw the market crash and everything after COVID. So I was like, oh, people were making money while the stocks were going down. I was like, how the hell is that even possible? So, I dug deep into Forex, and I was trash, man. I was trash losing money. I lost probably like $500 in like a week. Perseverance and determination, man. As of now, in 2023, I can finally say I have a profitable strategy. The same thing with me making beats, just being dedicated and continuing. That was 3 years it took me that long to get good at trading Forex. 6 years ago, I officially really started making beats. See how long that took for me to actually become good at making songs and beats? It's all, what I'm trying to show you with this video is all a process of everything. If you had the mindset like that, you can go through it, that it's not about the end goal, it's about the journey. If you have that goal, that it's fun to be in the process, it's fun to see the growth. If you have that mindset, you will accomplish anything. I swear. I like to look at life as, a game. Like, okay, what can I accomplish next? What's my next goal? I decided, okay, I want to work on my fitness. I didn't know anything. I was like, all right, boom, I went to the gym. First step I had to do is consistent. What I kept doing is going in the gym. Didn't know what I was doing. I had a little cheat sheet, what workouts to do. I don't know what to do. I kept failing. I looked stupid. Like, I barely could lift like 10, 15 pounds. Going hard every day. At this point, I'm not like, oh, I want to build my muscle. I'm like, okay, I know the consistency is benefit from my mindset. That going on, I was not trying to look at my body. I was not trying to see the progress of my body. I was trying to get consistent. Everything I do from before and now and in the future is all about consistency. It's not about the end goal. It's about getting my mind right so I can fulfill the real purpose of my life, which I know is to help you guys and to help the world become a better place, and which is probably your purpose. You watching right here, right now. The main thing, you're battling, you're preparing for the battle. Little problem there. Okay, this is just helping me for my future. This helped me for my future. You gotta look at every situation like this. It's similar to doing things like cold showers, doing things like cold showers, working out. All these are little steps to help you achieve what your future self will thank you for. That little cold shower, that little waking up at 6 a.m. to read a book. to read a book, to read a self-help book, watching these informational videos like these ones. These are gonna help your future self, and you're gonna thank yourself so much for this. So that's what I did with my fitness journey. I just continued to think about, okay, being consistent, and now, as of right now, I can say I'm very, very satisfied with the body I built. You see in the picture, probably showing on the screen. That wasn't even my goal to have a body like this, but just the consistency shows the progress. And many people say, oh, so what's your secret right now? What's your secret right now? I'll tell you right now, without buying the course, without buying my course, without doing anything, it's consistency, man. It's consistency. Once you have the tools, you have the resources, no reason to not do anything. It's only you, your discipline and consistency. So that's what I showed myself after attaining only a year. It's now 2023. Only a year, my body went from this to looking like this, which is crazy. So all in all, man, that's my current journey, my current celebratory goals that I want to share with you guys. There's a lot more that I'm not going to share. The main thing is I want to share with you this journey is to be appreciative of what the things that you achieved, so your mindset can say, okay, I achieved these goals, I did these things. It's very possible that I can achieve the bigger goals, the bigger passions in life, the bigger purpose. These little goals that you keep continuing to reward yourself, say good job to yourself, and you'll see that in the future you'll keep hitting the goals, and eventually you'll hit the main purpose, and you'll be living in your purpose. So my goal of this video was to inspire and motivate you guys to become the best version of yourself. Hey, the universe is waiting for you to achieve your dreams. It's up to you to elevate. Thanks for watching. Keep tuning in. Let's do this.